Hello friends. I am Factify. This is episode number 2 of the Unsolved Mysteries of the Universe. If you have not seen my episode 1, then its link is in the description box. Go and watch, but after this video. Let's start. Mystery number 1. Black holes, massive monsters. A constant staple of sci-fi thrillers, black holes are violent, vastly destructive and invisible. Black holes are regions of space in which the force of gravity is so powerful that everything around is drawn in. Not even light can escape, which is why we can't see any of this going on. Experts think there could be up to 100 million black holes in our galaxy alone, and these monsters can grow to become billions of times more massive than the Sun. What's more, at the center of most galaxies, including our own, lurks a supermassive black hole. But we don't know what happens when objects pass through the center. They might become spaghettified, stretched apart into long strings of matter. They could even be transported through a shortcut to a different part of our universe. Spooky. Mystery number 2. Space roar, silent scream in space. No one can hear you scream. Right? Space is a vacuum, so there shouldn't be any noise. And yet, you guessed it, there is. The entire universe is alive with sound. And space roar isn't just everyday sound. It's actually these odd radio signals that we've detected throughout space. You know radio waves, we use them for communications, TV, cell phones, radios. Well, it looks like space is full of them, kicking out a noise that's loud enough to drown out other signals, which is quite the nuisance for scientists trying to explore the cosmos. So where's the roar coming from? Some think that it's leftover radiation from early stars, others believe that it's gases swirling around galaxy clusters, or else galaxies themselves. But for now, the roaring universe remains another unsolved and noisy mystery. Mystery number 3. Cosmic rays, ghostly visitors. Space can be an intense place. But we're totally shielded down here on Earth, aren't we? About that, cosmic rays are high-energy particles that come from outer space and regularly bombard Earth. Generally, these particles are completely harmless, our atmosphere kindly protects us. But there are some exceptions. Up high in the stratosphere, cosmic rays can affect both human beings and electronics. Astronauts and aircraft crew are exposed to higher levels of radiation than the average person because of the presence of cosmic rays, although still not enough to be a major risk. But electronics are the real potential victims here. Very rarely, a cosmic ray particle with enough energy can go straight into an electronic system, causing serious damage. The high-energy particles can disrupt electronic data, leading to system crashes. And in an increasingly digital world, that's not good news. We're only just beginning to learn about the potential impact that cosmic rays could have, and the race is on to find a solution. Mystery number 4. The multiverse, the doppelganger. Want to feel small? Well, here goes. Humanity is but a tiny speck on a planet within a galaxy that itself makes up just a tiny, infinitesimal fraction of the universe. In fact, the universe is so vast, we've explored far less than 0.1% of it. And yet, it's entirely possible that our universe is just one of many others. The multiverse theory suggests that the cosmos contains multiple universes. Indeed, some scientists believe that there are an infinite number of universes, which means an infinite number of civilizations, histories, and versions of you. However, the multiverse theory is still highly controversial, and we're not likely to be charting parallel universes anytime soon. Sorry, guys. Mystery number 5. The Big Crunch, the end of the world as we know it. All good things must come to an end, even the universe itself. But how, you ask? Well, there are lots mind-blowing ideas out there. In the past, the deliciously named Big Crunch suggests a scenario in which the universe's expansion, which has been going on since the Big Bang, tapers off and instead gives way to the force of gravity. As a result, everything, planets, galaxies, clusters, is drawn together into a single, dense point of mass until everything is wiped out. Don't get too worried though, this is all many billions of years away. These days, the Big Crunch is by no means the only theory out there concerning our inevitable demise. Other ideas include the Big Freeze, the Big Bounce and the Big Rip. So rest assured, even if we don't know how the universe ends, we know it's going to be a pretty big event. For centuries, human beings have looked up at the stars and contemplated the universe and our place in it. From the dawn of time, we've always wanted to explore and make sense of the world, and yet, so many mysteries still remain. But amidst all the lingering uncertainties, one thing is for sure, the universe is so much stranger and more complex than we could ever have imagined. So that's it, friends, in this last episode of the Unsolved Mysteries of the Universe. I hope you liked this video, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video.